G'day again. Last job to do on the CX9 is the CV boot. So I'm not going to muck around, not going to do too much talking, I'm just going to get into it. It's off now. Alright, tie this up out of the way. I think that centers, I think that's 36, yes it is. Okay. Breaker bar. Can I get it with this bar? I think I might need to cheat that just a little bit. That's tight. I'm just going to snap that. These old C chrome ratchets are pretty strong. Let's see if I can get it with that. You can hand a man a grounder spanner. There we go. Gotcha. Yeah. Not even tight. It's a bit reminiscent of Land Cruiser. Oh, where's the tie rods? The tie rod's there. Okay. Fortunately, it has a reusable pin. Now I just got to try and find my joint splitter. Where have I put that? Found it. Persuade that into place. There we go. Gotcha. This bolt down here has got to come out. Holds the ball joint in place. There we go. Doesn't want to come out. I'm just bending that spanner. Yeah, it's not real straight anymore. Got a wee bit of a woof. Let's try the old chrome ratchet again. Might get it or I might break the ratchet. Oh, I think that's moving. Gotcha. Take some tension off it. Just give that a little love tap with the big hammer. Let's give it a drink of juice. And now I have to go out for an hour or so that can sit for a bit and we'll come back to it. All right, I'm back. Yes, yes I can. Okay, well, that might make life interesting. There we go. What I wanted to happen there. There we go, got that apart. I don't know how good that looked on camera. Probably just doing me swinging. All right, now can I do this in the car or not? I will if I can. I'll just clean that up a bit. Squirt with some love juice. Yuck. Alright, so I'd like to see if I can do this, change this boot in the car without pulling the CV out of the car completely. If I can do that, that's going to save me a little bit of mucking around. It's not all sitting in the best position, but I might be able to get these undone, maybe. Okay, so there's one ring. I'll get this back one up here, let's see if I can do that too. This one's actually harder to get undone. There we go, got it. I'll just get a Stanley knife or something and I'll just cut this off. Gotcha. Alright, so boots cut. Ooh, not much good goo in there. I'm going to get something to catch that. A bit of rag underneath there. Let's see if I'll just drain a bit of crap out of there. There's not much lube in there, not much grease in there. Whoops. Greasy shit everywhere. Let's try and clean this mess up a little bit. Clear. Ouch. Jam my finger in it. There we go. Gotcha. Got it out. I suppose the next thing will be to see if I can get it back on again. Let's clean the rest of this up. Get this old crap out as much as I can. Get some parts cleaner onto that. Stuff does such a good job. Alright, I'm just going to do this off camera. Where the fuck did I put the boot? You can stop looking now. I found it. I just spent a half hour looking for that. It was in the safe place that I put it in. There's a boot. So let's make sure the boot's going to fit. Yes, it is. We've got some grease and we've got some clips, some straps. We need to pack this with grease. Make sure it's really well packed and pack the rest of the grease in the boot. And I'm going to whack some on these splines. Joy of joys, here we go. Come on, grease. Come on out, there we go. I don't know how much grease we're actually going to have here. I think they've been a little bit tight on the grease. Roll it and fold it and fold it and roll it and it comes up all nice and fluffy. I think I'm going to want more than what's actually here. Yeah, that simply isn't going to be enough grease. That's just a bit sad, really. Because I want to punch that in. I want to punch it into all of the bearings, all the holes, and I want this full of grease. I want it to be well packed. Yeah, they're a bit light on the grease. I might just go and get some more grease. I'm not happy with that. All right. So this is the same stuff. That's more like it. Get in there. It's a dirty job, but someone's got to do it. Yeah, I'll stick that boot onto the shaft, chuck a bit of grease inside the boot, and we should be laughing. Just a little bit of lube. Just a little bit around there, and a little bit just around there, just to make it slip on a little bit easier. Okay, get on there. That's the way. That's the way. Is it in the hole? Yes, it is. That's located. Now, I don't have the fancy tools for doing this, so I'm just going to have to do it with a set of pliers. So that looks like it's pretty right. Let's try and get that a little bit tighter, I think. There's a couple of little tags here. I'll just bend them over. that's it basically. And then just try and cut some excess off. I don't know if these will cut it. I don't want that excess there. I'm going to have to work out... Oh, I've got some tin snips. Okay, so that'll do for the moment. Okay, grease. I'll stick some in the shaft, in the boot. Bring out the shaft. Just a bit of extra. I don't think it needs to be ridiculous amounts. Now I'll get some around that spline. Try and get this to seat back on. That's... I think I need a knockometer. And it was at this point in the edit that I realised that the GoPro had failed again.